Picture this. A tiny Solana-powered network that pays you for the bandwidth your phone wastes every single day. Suddenly the Android app drops, points triple, and the chart is coiled in a year-long triangle, while RSI sits at February-style oversold levels that sparked a 200% rally last time. Add a plug-and-play Grasshopper box for 24/7 earnings, a billion video AI dataset few even know exists, and a token unlock schedule that Wall Street quant desks are already mapping. Grass isn't just another airdrop. It's a full-stack DePIN bet hiding in plain sight at $1.20. Stick around. In the next few minutes, you'll see the news nobody's stitching together, the exact profit ladder up to 550, and a risk plan that even first-timers can follow. Grass' recent post splashed lime green across CryptoX. Grass on Android is here. Android users earn 3 times Grass points for a limited time. Phones go everywhere, laptops don't. So the user base and bandwidth pool can snowball fast. Oh, and if you want to start farming while you watch, there's a download link pinned in the comments. It's my referral, totally optional. But grabbing it is an easy way to support the channel and jumpstart your own points haul. Scale, incentive, and community. 3 gears already turning. Scroll a little deeper into that thread, and you'll see 3 promises almost everyone skimmed. First, Grass swears it will never rummage through your private data. Second, every packet that does leave your device rides inside end-to-end encryption, so even Grass can't peek. And third, the app behaves like a courteous roommate. It pauses itself when your battery dips or your signal gets sketchy, then quietly resumes when conditions improve. In a landscape where hidden spyware headlines can nuke adoption overnight, those 3 lines flip fear into fuel and open doors to cafes, campuses, and corporate Wi-Fi that's usually off-limits to DePIN projects. Fast forward to Solana's retweet. A floating emerald cube tag Grasshopper. Plug it in, forget it, and stream passive income around the clock. Limited quantities plus a waitlist screams controlled scarcity. Physical nodes boost uptime and geographic spread, giving the network the kind of resilience that venture funds love to see. Cloudflare rode a similar edgebox concept to a 5-time stock run. Lightning might strike twice. Back on June, Grass dropped a sleeper bomb. The infrastructure for working with video data at scale barely exists. Grass Video Search is our first step. They've stitched together one of the largest video datasets in history, over 1 billion videos, and made every frame searchable. AI eats data. Whoever owns rare high-quality data rents it to every model that shows up hungry. Think decentralized NVIDIA credits, but the toll is paid in Grass, not GPUs. Cracking Grass Tokenomics, 27% of the billion coin supply is liquid today. Next unlock arrives July 31st. A modest 0.37%, about $4.4 million. Bigger cliffs for early investors and contributors remain locked until October 2025, and ecosystem grants drip out monthly. Translation: drizzle now, potential downpour later. So mark your calendars and stay nimble. On the 3-day chart, 2 bold yellow trend lines have caged price since November 2024. Textbook symmetrical triangle. We're tapping the lower rail, while Heikin-Ashi RSI indicator is extremely oversold under -20. Last time that happened, Grass blasted from 90 cents to $2.80 in 4 weeks. VRVP on your left shows the fattest volume node right at the 236 Fibonacci retracement, hinting at strong historical demand. Odds tilt north. Here's the staircase. If price pushes to 160 the 236 Fibonacci, we shave 20% and yank our stop to break even. A clean tag of $2, the 382 level, frees another slice and lets us exhale. Should momentum carry to 270, golden 618 territory, that's cue to lock in a third tranche. At 390, lining up with the 1-to-1 fib, we pocket more gains and let the last coins run. And if Fortune gifts a spike to 550, the 1618 extension, we cash out the final portion and toast to disciplined asymmetry. Weekly close under 89 cents means the trading idea is dead for now. We take a small bruise and keep capital intact. Do the math. A 6-to-1 risk-reward, potential reward across that ladder. Even if only the first 2 targets print, you walk away green. Compare that to meme coins where your only exit plan is prey for a bigger fool. Grass stacks real-world demand as bandwidth resale, AI data, and hardware yield. 2024 belonged to AI coins. 2025 is leaning DePIN. GPUs alone can't rule the world. Models need edge data and pipes. Solana's endorsement isn't charity. High-volume apps justify Fire Dancer transactions per second. If Grass scales, Solana benefits. Smart money loves symbiotic plays. But what could go wrong? No rose-tinted lenses. Regulators might argue that renting bandwidth turns you into a baby ISP, piling on compliance costs. 2026 unlocks could flood supply if adoption lags, and execution risk looms. A buggy Android rollout or Grasshopper delay would drain momentum fast. Sensible sizing, clear invalidations, and calendar alerts for major cliffs keep those landmines from wrecking your portfolio. Let's ground this in reality. Even the sharpest setup bleeds value if fees eat your yield. I'm trading Grass on MEXC, the exchange 10 million users trust. Grab the pinned link or scan the on-screen QR code, and 2 good things happen. First, a welcome stack worth up to $8,000 starts unlocking. Real fee vouchers, futures credits, and even a starter Bitcoin position. Second, your fees drop roughly 20% for life, so every future win compounds harder. MEXC keeps the party rolling with flash campaigns. Right now, there's a 2-day pool at 600% APR. Park 300 USDT and pull out about $10. Call it gas money. Add daily airdrops, merch drops, and the lowest futures fees in the game, and you've got a toolkit that literally pays you to stay curious. Pro tip: deposit 100 USDT, flip it once through Bitcoin to meet the volume requirement, and the first wave of rewards lands instantly. Opportunity belongs to action takers. Click, claim, then come back for the next chart. If this breakdown sparked fresh curiosity, punch the like button so the algorithm knows we're delivering value. Drop a comment. Are you farming Grass points already or sitting on the fence? I reply to every question. Want the full step-by-step on wallets, claims, and point multipliers? Hit the end screen card to watch my earlier Grass tutorial. Thank you for spending your valuable time with me. Stay positive, stay curious, and let's turn idle bandwidth and smart charts into freedom. See you tomorrow in the next one.